To talk about how to block ads on YouTube. We've opened YouTube from desktop computer. Uh, this is our home screen, and here is the idea: elevate your earning. Honeygain.com. Whenever you see ads on your YouTube profile, you need to tap on three dot button. You will notice this three dot button under the ads. Tap here. It will take you to YouTube Ad Center. In the beginning, you will notice here there is a menu. Customize more of the ads you see. Here is a button. Click on it. Whenever you click, a new tab on your browser will open. Your chat, your ads, your choice. Easily customize the ads you see on Google service like YouTube and search, and control the info used to personalize them. Refresh your ads. Your choices here will be used to influence which ads you see in future. There are two menus: trending ad topics, trending ad brands. There is a see all button. Click on it. It will present you so many different topics, and on each topic there is two different buttons. There is a plus button which means more like this, and there is a minus button which is called fewer like this. So this is the topic photo software. If I choose minus, that means I will observe less ads from this area. So I choose minus for this area, and gradually we need to select minus for all of these topics. I have already selected it. Go to your YouTube Ad Center and select minus for all of the topics. After selecting minus for all of the topics, go to brand area. There are 5 different brands: Amazon, Delivery Hero, double click, YouTube, Food Panda. Like topics, there are 2 different buttons: minus and plus. Select minus for all of the topics, like topics. For select minus for all of the brands, like topics area. After finishing, go to sensitive area. There is 3 different menus: dating, pregnancy and parenting, weight loss. There is a toggle button here. Toggle the switch off for each of the topics. That's it. That's how you can minimize ads on your YouTube. If you use free version of YouTube, then you cannot block all ads. However, by following this trick, you can minimize the number of ads on your YouTube application, on your YouTube profile. That's it. Thank you for watching.